Hi, my name is Alice. I'm the special assistant to the CEO of Superbird. Today I have great news about drones to share with you. We are launching our brand new drone to the world. Does this look like a BT stealth bomber or a bird? Indeed, it's both. The stealth bomber BT and the birds like pigeons, they all share this design, the flying wing design technique. Its superior aerodynamic characteristics have been refined and evolved by birds for thousands of years. Superbird started development of a flying wing design back in 2012, and the first successful test flight happened in 2014. So we have a lot more experience in a flying wing than many other companies. Now Superbird have a special feature to this design that even BT and most of birds are not matched for. It's vertical takeoff, vertical landing, and hopping. Amazing and superb, isn't it? That's why we call it a Superbird.